Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to a quick guide on your new Garmin Xero C1 chronograph. This little device is incredibly powerful, yet surprisingly easy to use. It accurately measures projectile speeds, giving you precise data for all your shooting needs, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Let's dive in and see how simple it is to get started with this fantastic tool. Getting your Xero C1 ready is super straightforward. First, make sure it's fully charged using the USB-C cable provided in the box. While it's charging, go ahead and download the Garmin Shot View app onto your smartphone. This app is your control center for the chronometer. Once charged, open the app and simply follow the prompts to pair your Xero C1 via Bluetooth. It connects very quickly. Now, for taking measurements, positioning is key. Place your Xero C1 safely downrange, making sure it has a clear, unobstructed view of where your projectiles will pass. Back at your shooting position, open the Shot View app and select your current session type, whether it's rifle, pistol, or archery. Then, simply fire your rounds through the designated measurement zone. The chronometer will capture the speed and send it straight to your phone, giving you immediate feedback. The Shot View app truly brings your data to life. After a session, you can dive right into all your recorded shot data and review detailed summaries. The app neatly organizes everything, making it super simple to track consistency, monitor changes, and really understand your performance over time. If you need to, you can even export your entire session data for more in-depth analysis or to easily share it with friends and fellow shooters. To get the most out of your Xero C1, here are a few final tips. Always make sure the device is securely positioned and stable during your shooting sessions. This prevents any inaccurate readings. It's also a great habit to regularly check the battery level within the Shot View app so you're never caught off guard. Finally, keeping your chronometer clean and storing it in a safe place will ensure it provides accurate measurements for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.